Hello, how you guys doing? Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress Store Lifestyle. In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can start earning at least $50 every single day with Uber and Lyft using the strategy I'm about to share with you. Alright, let's just stay tuned. If it's your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my training. And if you're the type of person who's looking to make some money online, you're looking to make some extra income, you're looking to add another stream of income to what you already have, you're on the right channel, you're in the right place. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, what I'm about to share with you is like some people know about it and some people don't. And I'll be sharing with you as well a strategy that you can use to make money, like with this the Uber app without even have to drive. Some people don't even know that you can actually do that. You can make money as well without even taking one simple ride. But if you have a car, the car just sitting there, you're not doing anything with it, and you're looking for some extra income, you can go ahead and do that. Use your car, you can drive a couple hours a day, and you can earn at least $50 every day. Let's say you just need an extra 200 to 300 out every week. That's definitely possible if you drive 5 to 6 hours every day. That's definitely achievable. So what I'm about to say, if you haven't started yet, I'll be putting the information in the description below so you can get started. I'll put the information for Uber and Lyft so you can see which one is best for you. Both of them that great sign of bonus. They got great referrals, but to my opinion, I like Uber better. I do both as well. I just started with them because there's other stuff that I do, but the Uber is just something that I do. Like when my kids go to school, I don't want to be bored at home. I just go around and just drive during the time that they're in school, and I make extra at least $300 every single week just by doing that. Just killing time, and you're still making some extra money. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is to download the Uber driver app. Once you do that, you will send your information in. And I'm sorry about the background. I got my kids in the background. I'm a full-time mom. I'm always with them, so you're gonna hear them in the background playing and everything. So you will need to send your information. They will do a background check. Your license has to be clean and everything. They will not accept if your license is suspended and everything. And so when you sign up, you send your information, you send the information for the car, the insurance and everything. So when you send it up, and they will review, usually it takes 3 to 5 business days to get approved. They approve pretty quick. And sometimes, if it's the weekdays, and they will approve you really quick, and you can be ready right away to get started. So when you get started, you get your car. Just always make sure that your car stay clean, and your car don't have to be like you just came out the shop. But yeah, it's still the same, because when they get in your car, you want them to be able to feel comfortable. Don't leave any mess in the car. Have a nice, don't have the air freshener smell too long, too strong. Something just visible that that they can take in. And also can have some, I got nice slow jam for them to dive in. And you also need to be the type of person that's willing to have a conversation. Sometimes I just gonna bother them if I feel they don't really look like they want to have a conversation. I just leave them alone, give them their peace of mind. But if you see that they are looking to have a conversation, engage with them. There's a lot you can learn. You meet different type of people. Those trips gonna take you every single way. You're gonna meet go different places and everything. So be open, go over there. You're gonna meet different people, so be open to the opportunity. And when you get started, just be on the lookout. My strategy is the way I do it. When I just get started, I start the app from my house, or I started from after dropping my kids to school. So don't the mistake that a lot of people make when they're driving for Uber and Lyft. They be driving around like crazy, wasting gas, and hoping somebody will be. Do not do that. Cannot go to busy places like restaurants, shopping malls, places that's kind of busy, and just park there. Trust me, you will get somebody that will need an Uber. But my advantage, I go either, because I'm in Miami, I go to South Beach, I go downtown, and I go around where there's a lot of hotels and stuff like that. You can also try that. If there's a place there's a lot of hotels around, people that need, there will be a lot of people that will need to either go to the airport or need to go to the cruise. So use those spots at your advantage, but don't just go ahead and drive around like a mad person hoping somebody will get there. So, and also to maximize your tips as well, like be friendly, and like if they have bags, help them put them in the trunk and help them take it out the trunk, and always stay professional. Even though, like, some of them I try to give like a cold shoulder when I start to just stay smiling, just don't worry about it, don't take it personal. It come like, the only thing is, like, if he get, like, I haven't have any crazy stories, but I've heard crazy stories about like drive over, but that's why I don't do it at night. After in with my kids, I cannot do it at night. So far, so far it's good. So use those strategies to start making $50 to $100 a day. Yeah, for the main strategy, I almost forgot that you can use this app to make money without even driving, because some people don't want to tell you that you can absorb make money with Wordful. Like, there's a code that they will give you the same way I'm putting my code in the description link. And if you do the same thing, if you're the type of person that's good at recruiting and you have a good following on social media or whatever, you can share your code, and once someone sign up with that code and they start driving, depending on how much the sign up bonus is in that person's city, you're gonna get, because there's a lot of sign up bonus, like, some of them is up to $1,000, it can be 700, whatever the amount it is, not even in your city, whatever the amount it is in their city, you will be getting that sign up bonus. So if you're good at recruiting, you can use that strategy to make money without even taking one single ride. Just share your code and encourage them to get started, and when they complete, I think their first 150 ride, they will, and trust me, the 150 ride, you can like make it like in less than 30 days. They will send you a sign up bonus. You can make money like crazy doing that. So I hope you guys find some great value in this video. Feel free to drop me a comment below if you have any question, if you need any help getting started, and I will be putting the information below. Feel free to comment, ask me any question, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a good day.